Hello. So it's been a very long travel day, but I did make it to Manchester for Sudoku Con. We are in the hotel, we've settled in, eaten dinner, and now I'm going to record Wednesday's puzzles, and it's going to be extremely short. Maybe on other days I'll be able to do more, but also the Wi-Fi in this hotel is absolutely awful, so I'm worried a long video won't be uploadable. So we're going to try to keep this quick. This one video will have Wordle and connections, and that is it for today. We're going to start with Wordle. And I'm being a bit quiet because Lily is sleeping. All right, so yesterday we spun the wheel. It said to start with grasp. And I'm going to put myself here until we need to move it. All right, grasp. I'm pretty sure that was it. Forgive me if I'm wrong. All right, so just an A. Whenever I get a yellow A in the middle, it always makes me want to think A second Y at the end. I don't know what to try there. I mean, there's plenty of other options, but let's look at A second anything. It could be the atch trap, of course. So let's think about the consonants that the atch trap would need to check. There's watch. We already got patch, which is nice. There's hatch. Hatch and catch are special in that we can only test them by doing the letter first or by doing two of them. Otherwise, it could be yellow or green for where it is in ATCH. There's latch, of course. There's batch and there's match. So we're not going to be able to do C and H at the same time. Latch, batch, match. So, and remember, if we're going to include a C or an H, it's got to be first or it's not a useful test. So I'm thinking something like clown. No, we have to use the A though. Oh shoot, I just erased everything. I thought I had something good. I remember there's something I like to go, but we need to use this A. Where am I going to use the A? CLA maybe? Clam. I mean, clamp would actually be pretty good, but I'd rather not do a filler. I think claim with an E at the end is accepted. I'm pretty sure it is, so I'm going to do that instead. All right, well, there's an E at the end, so it's not the atch trap. Lucky us today. Could it be like an, oh, I did A in the middle. It was a filler. I mean, obviously I've had I don't know how long I've been up. I slept a little bit on the plane, but I'm going to try lathe. I think that's been the answer before because I remember a friend of mine starts with lathe every day. I remember celebrating when they got 8 and 1, but I think it's still a good test. All right, so A, and then there's an L somewhere, and then E at the end. Oh, I was thinking like false, but there's no S. The L could be before the E as well. I want to look at this first. And I'm not seeing anything. Could it be like an IE ending? And I don't see that. All right, well, let's look at L and the only other place it can be. Something like table, fable. Let's try fable. It's not table because there's no T. Not fable. All right, well, okay, so L does go there. So I missed it, whatever it is. I either have to cover the keyboard or the start. I guess covering the start's fine. Could it be something like valve? I don't know if I want to try valve unless it's the only thing left. But honestly, I don't see anything else, so I am going to do valve. Hopefully this travel day doesn't make me lose my streak, but I mean, I already lost my streak recently, so it's fine. All right, it was valve. Nice. Double V, not easy. We're just going to do a really quick bot check here. The longer this video is, the less chance I have that it actually uploads, but we'll see. All right, we go next. It gave me a 93 skill. Claim was a 76. It liked table. What do people do? Talon, clean. I'm not the only one who did claim. I'm not surprised. It was a filler by accident. Clean, lance, feint, table, Leighton, cheat, alone, and cleat. All right. It liked lathe a lot. Lathe was a 99. Went it from 12 to 3 words left, and then fable, and then valve was a 99. So fable it didn't really like very much. It would have preferred value. Oh, so I guess we were down to value, valve, and fable. So you want to do value or valve. Fable wasn't good in that case. So value was still left, but luckily that isn't. I wouldn't have lost with those 3 left. I think, yeah, after fable I still had 2 guesses, so it was down to value, valve, I'm pretty sure. Was that true? Is that what it says? Yeah, 2 were spicuum. Okay. Point 1 starting with grasp. I don't get to see how many started with valve. 1.4, 11.9, 43. So we have a 96.8% solve rate today. People losing on have, value, cav, sav. Yeah, the ALVE, not thinking of the double V, or not wanting to do it. All right, let's go back and let's do connections. Oh, sure, accept all. Connections. All right, we've got cork, pearl, basic, staple, mid, word, chalk, white, black, vanilla, gem, nail, rivet, nugget, screw, and plain. Nothing really stood out to me except maybe like vanilla and white, maybe. Is this nugget like chicken nugget? There's nougat. Is that spelled the same? I don't think so. I'm questioning myself. Plain and vanilla are generally synonyms. Basic. I don't know if staple. Maybe staple has a different connotation. What else would it be? Like white? Not really. Basic, vanilla, plain. All right, we'll hold that in our pocket because I don't know what the 4th is. Nugget. Could be like a gold nugget. Maybe a nugget and a pearl would be in a gem, just something that's valuable. Like a valuable, I don't know, thing you'd find. I don't know what to say there. Pearl, gem, nugget. Oh, honestly, this is probably like the opposite of basic, plain, vanilla. This is like something that's really high quality, or someone like the diamond in the rough type thing. Or like a nugget of truth. Here's a gem, here's a pearl, wisdom. So maybe it's something like that too. What would be the 4th? I don't see a 4th. Maybe word of wisdom? I don't know. Okay, well, I don't have a 4th for that either. A screw and a rivet used in construction. A staple. And a nail. All right, we finally found something. This is probably yellow. Fasteners. Okay. So staple does not go in that other category. White still could. We also have black. We have mid. Maybe mid, vanilla, basic, and plain. Synonyms for nondescript. Okay. All right, we have blue and purple left, and I'm pretty sure we have gem, nugget, and pearl. So just like words used for wisdom. Between black, chalk, white, and cork, I think I'm going to have to go with word. Yeah, okay. Units of wisdom. There you go. So what is this? Black, cork. You know what? Purple's just going to have to happen today. I'm spent. All right. boards in a classroom: a blackboard, chalkboard, corkboard, and whiteboard. Ah, gotcha. I haven't been in a classroom in a long time, so I wasn't thinking about that. All right. Well, we could look at the bot, I guess, really quickly. How do I get to it? Apparently not that way. We can go to the article. We can see their difficulty, 2 out of 5, and then we can go to the bot. All right. Maybe. Like I said, the Wi-Fi on here is kind of slow. Are you? Yeah. Okay. It's acting up again. Oh, okay. Well, I got kicked back here. So we're not looking at the bot. That's going to be it. How'd you do? All right, I forgot to spin the wheel. So we're going to do that now. So we know what word we're starting with tomorrow. It's going to be brave. It's just by Adelaide Aron. Oh, Adelaide Aranjo. Maybe it's Adelaide or Angel. I don't know. Anyway, brave tomorrow.